Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to smooth out your ruler on the front if you have a snag. So this is just a little something that we do. Your ruler on the bottom should not have any snags whatsoever. We try to round that inner edge on the inside here. We try to round that. So if you do have a snag, turn your mesh roller upside down like so. If you have a sanding block, these are great. If you don't have a sanding block, just wrap some sandpaper around a piece of wood or something and just take it at an angle and lightly sand that inside edge and the bottom of the ruler. Run it straight across the bottom. Take a rag and wipe it off. And you do that until this edge right here is completely smooth. Now, the inside of your ruler is just as important as the edge. So the way I do that is I have a piece of sandpaper just wrapped around a scrap of yardstick. You can use a paint stick or whatever. Turn your mesh roller on its side. Let me see if I can get my angle just right. Without my arc mount falling over. Hang on. Sorry. Alright. Let's see if I can get this right. I'm not a videographer, as y'all know. Okay. So I have the mesh roller turned down on its ruler side. And I'm going to run this paint stick all along the inside of that ruler. So there's no splinters on the inside of the ruler and no splinters on the bottom of the ruler and on the inside edge. So that's how we smooth out the rulers. So if you do get a splinter, which does happen occasionally, if the yardstick gets nicked on something, it'll splinter up. And that's the best way to do it. It's just to go back and resand it, and you're good as new. Hope that helps. Thanks.